With Bill Pay at Heritage Grove Online and Mobile, you can manage payments for all your monthly bills and even make payments to friends and family. To get started using our Bill Pay feature, you will first need to go to Bill Pay and Loan Payments. Then select Bill Pay. On the top right, select Add a Payee. Then select whether the recipient is a business or a person. Enter the payee's name, account information, and select which account you would like to pay from. Fill in the address information to complete the payee setup. Select a payee from your Bill Pay dashboard. Choose an account to pay from and the amount to be paid. Here you can select the frequency of your payment, whether you want a one-time or reoccurring payment. Then choose when you would like the payment to stop, and then you can select the delivery method. If you would like to add a memo to your statement, you can do so here. Once you have filled in all of the details of your payment, you will need to review the payment and confirm the payment information. If the payment has been scheduled successfully, you will see a success window pop up with a confirmation code for your records. From your Bill Pay dashboard, you can review scheduled payments, the payments that you've already made. If you would like to review these, please click on the Scheduled tab. If you would like to see a past payment, click on the History tab. This will show you all the details of past Bill Pay payments that have been made. On the My Scheduled Payments calendar, a date with the dot underneath has a scheduled payment for that day. Click on the date to review the payments. This will appear below your calendar. To cancel a scheduled bill payment, click on the trash icon on the right-hand side. You will be given an option on whether you would like to cancel just a single payment or the full series of scheduled payments. A message will appear on your screen to confirm that the payment has been canceled, and the payment will be removed from the calendar. If you have any further questions, please call or text us at 503-588-0211.